Today in crypto. FixStake enables an easier way to earn crypto via cloud mining. The mining network earns great service reviews globally. The crypto world continues to develop its technology to provide its users and investors the best possible experience, especially in crypto mining. One of them is the FixStake network, a cloud mining platform that provides an easier way to mine crypto without the need to install traditional mining rigs. Indeed, this blockchain technology provided by FixStake brings joy to the crypto community, especially to all the crypto miners out there. In its aim to provide miners a seamless way to earn various crypto assets, the network offers its customers different mining plans to choose from. These mining plans are composed of BTC, Doge, ETH and LTC staking that provide users a fixed amount of money in return for a specific time frame or contract. The contract of FixStake offers flexible timing where users or miners can choose freely on what suits them best. Aside from providing a seamless way to mine crypto assets, FixStake also provides 24-hour support. In detail, customers of FixStake can use the network without worrying about any trouble since they can get in touch with the FixStake customer service any time of the day, anywhere in the world. Furthermore, FixStake is also proud to introduce their state-of-the-art system where clients can experience the highest possible level of security. Through this, FixStake customers can sleep freely at night without worrying about any possible threats that could snatch their investments. When it comes to the dashboard and detailed metrics about their investments, FixStake offers an easier way to see it all. In particular, FixStake provides detailed statistics on its platform where its customers can check their account and investment metrics accurately. Last but not least, FixStake designed its platform to enable an easier way for its users to withdraw their investment as long as they fulfill the conditions set by the network. On the other hand, at the time of writing, the platform also earned great reviews from its customers across the world. Some customers say that the platform is very easy to use, while others said they doubled their investment in a few months. With all these achievements that FixStake did, we can say that FixStake is one of the best cloud mining platforms in the space. However, the crypto space is still young and still has a lot of room for growth and development. Through this, we can say that FixStake, as a part of the crypto world, will continue to develop and discover new technologies to provide its customers with the best experience ever. Continue reading on CoinQuara. PhoenixDAO launches a staking dApp. Stakers can contribute the native $PHNX token and earn immediate interest through Phoenix staking. Some look at crypto staking with a hesitant eye due to how complex the concept sounds. In reality, staking is an easy way to put crypto to work and earn passive income in a safe and secure manner. Many platforms handle the hard work behind the scenes. For many stakers, it's as easy as locking coins and watching the rewards roll in. Stakers lock their crypto assets on platforms like a staking pool similar to a traditional interest-bearing savings account for specific periods of time. Rewards are then calculated and dispersed based on factors like the quantity of staked crypto, the inflation rate, and the staking duration. Stakers financially benefit from the process and in some instances, receive voting rights to determine the platform's future via governance tokens. The staked crypto helps validate transactions on the blockchain while enhancing the security and efficiency of the underlying project. The benefits of staking led many to wonder where and how they can participate in the process to earn passive income and help benefit a project they support. A staking dApp, decentralized application, is the first in a number of flagship applications from PhoenixDAO, a community-led DeFi-enabled ecosystem. Stakers can contribute the native $PHNX token and earn immediate interest through Phoenix staking. The steps to follow to begin staking on PhoenixDAO and earn interest are simple. These include: 1. Adding liquidity. Prospective stakers first need to visit the staking dApp and click the Connect Wallet button to link a cryptocurrency wallet, like MetaMask, with the dApp. Those using Wallet Connect and Coinbase's wallet can simply scan the QR code with their phone. Next, users need to click the Add Liquidity button and add the PHNX token to MetaMask if they have not already done so. Users should then enter the amount of cryptocurrency, either ETH or PHNX at this stage, and the dApp will automatically calculate at the current rate. The staking dApp will clearly show the amount of crypto deposited, applicable rates, and pool share. Users will then be asked to approve the transaction and pay the applicable gas fee. Once the transaction is confirmed, a window pops up with an option to add the PHNX LP, liquidity provider, tokens to MetaMask. 2. Stake and earn rewards. Those who have LP tokens are ready to stake and earn rewards. After navigating to the Farm tab, users will see the APR, annual percentage rate, and will have the option to approve the contract. After approval and transaction confirmation, with a fee, staking dApp users then decide on the number of tokens they want to stake and click confirm. 3. View earnings. The staking dApp's intuitive dashboard makes it extremely simple to view the amount of cryptocurrency staked and the ensuing rewards. The staking dashboard clearly displays active and historical staking, how to unstake/burn tokens, and the process to stake once again. Stakers ready to collect their rewards simply click on the Harvest button and confirm the transaction. Earned PHNX increases every 15 seconds after each block is mined. Stakers can also unstake their tokens at any time and receive any PHNX rewards and the now unstaked LP tokens. In addition to earning PHNX as an interest, stakers can also vote on governance proposals for the entire Phoenix platform. 1,000 staked PHNX is required for voting rights in PhoenixDAO, decentralized autonomous organization. 10,000 staked PHNX is needed to create a proposal for others to vote on, which can include changes to governance structure, leadership, protocol, marketing and listing proposals, and rewards for participation. A user can only stake once on each governance proposal, with each vote counting as one no matter how much they stake, but is able to stake on multiple proposals at the same time. Staking remains a popular trend within the cryptocurrency world as mining becomes costlier and more resource-intensive. Staking helps diversify assets, lower blockchain transaction fees, and provide users with a form of passive income on digital assets. PhoenixDAO's staking dApp continues to serve as a safe and effective tool for users interested in earning instant and passive crypto rewards. Continue reading on CoinQuara. The Dubai Financial Services Authority, DFSA, has established a regulatory framework for investment tokens as part of its efforts to stimulate the digital financial and technological environment while also meeting market players' demands and requirements. The DFSA is an independent regulatory body in Dubai that is in charge of monitoring and regulating financial services companies wanting to operate in the city. It also licenses and regulates its products and services. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, you'll love testing yourself in fantasy trading contests and having a chance to earn in the process. Introduction trading stocks and crypto is an opportunity to profit in short time frames. Depending on how the markets move, you can earn a lot of money in hours. The problem is that you need to learn about stock and crypto fluctuations to enter this world. That's where fantasy trading contests come into play. These competitions have become a true phenomenon in recent years. They offer a fun and exciting way to learn about trading while having a chance to profit. You can pick between various contest types, and that versatility appeals to users. If you are interested in jumping on board and trying fantasy trading, here's what you should know about it. The basics of fantasy trading. If you are a sports fan, you are probably familiar with fantasy contests. In these competitions, you pick players to create a virtual team. The performance of athletes in real matches generates your points. The person with the most points wins the tournament. The principle is similar to crypto fantasy trading. However, the difference is that you assemble a team of cryptocurrencies. You pick a limited number from those offered for the selection. Once the contest starts, you monitor actual fluctuations of those currencies. If their value on the market increases, you get points. But if it decreases, you lose them. The winner is the participant with the most points once the competition finishes. Why are crypto fantasy contests so popular these days? Crypto trading has fans across many continents, but why does it attract so many users? The best way to understand is to try a fantasy competition. But before you start your first contest, here are the major reasons why users love these tournaments. Simple and exciting. You could describe these platforms as easy to learn but hard to master. The attractive contests that allow beginners to dive right into the action. A versatile game selection. You can participate in head-to-head sessions against other users but also test yourself in leagues. Session duration varies on the platform. However, the most exciting concepts seem to be 15-minute matches. They don't take a lot of time and maximize the adrenaline rush during the game. You can manage your investments easier. It takes a lot of money to trade crypto and stocks on the real market. It's much easier with fantasy contests. You can virtually double up your investment in as little as 15 minutes. It can be an extra income source. If you are looking for additional revenue, these competitions can help to generate it. Where to earn extra income with fantasy trading? Stock Battle managed to find the right balance between offering a tempting experience for both new and experienced traders. The platform is easy to use and offers stocks and crypto fantasy trading tournaments. Here is why you should try Stock Battle. You get a generous 100% welcome bonus. The platform will match your first deposit up to $50. So, if you invest $20, it means you'll actually have $40 to join the desired fantasy contests. You can join free-roll competitions to understand how the system works. You can join up to 10 free fantasy finance competitions. The prizes involve actual money, so you can use this as a starting point to begin competing for real cash. Check the current trends while choosing your portfolio. The website shows you statistics on each currency that you can include in your selection. That makes it easier to discover the current trends and identify market gainers. Which fantasy contests are available on Stock Battle? The beauty of Stock Battle lies in fast-paced fantasy contests that guarantee an adrenaline rush. Each competition lasts only 15 minutes. That guarantees the so-called pick-up-and-play mechanic. Even if you don't have much time, you can still enjoy a session or two and profit in the process. As a beginner, it's smart to try free rolls. These don't require investing a single cent. Stock Battle believes in the attractiveness of its platform. That's why each user can participate in up to 10 free-roll fantasy tournaments. While you don't pay anything to join, the prizes involve real money. The reward structure is modest, but you can still earn a few dollars to start actual cash sessions. Real money tournaments have the same structure. You test yourself in head-to-head duels against another user. The rules are simple. The winner takes it all. If you end up having more points when 15 minutes expires, you'll get the entire prize pool. The stakes begin with as little as $1, but you can also join contests where the wagers require $20 or more. The main reasons to choose Stock Battle. Stock Battle has an excellent reputation with the traders. Its user base increases every day. Apart from offering a safe environment with fast loading times, these are the reasons to try Stock Battle. You'll enjoy drafting your portfolio before each game starts. You'll need to choose your portfolio. The system will list the available cryptocurrencies for that session. Your task is to choose 5 for your portfolio. Stock Battle offers immense help during the selection process. You can sort the available choices on the selection screen to your preference. It helps to arrange them by the biggest winners or losers in the recent time. You can see the trends in the last 15 minutes, an hour, a day, or a week. If you want advanced statistics, simply tap on an asset, and it will open a graph. The chart will show the latest fluctuations of the currency graphically. You can also see the total market cap and volume in the last 24 hours. In other words, you'll have all the statistics you need to draft your portfolio. From there, it's up to you to recognize the best crypto to bet on and win. The contests occur in real time. You participate in fantasy trading contests to win, but the gaming experience also matters. Stock Battle took that to the next level by providing real-time dynamic charts. You don't have to wait for 15 minutes to see the outcome. Instead, you can follow the entire session and how the market trends move in actual time. You can compare the feeling to rooting for your favorite runner or a horse in a race. Even if you don't win, you'll love the rush you felt during the session. An entire academy section that helps you to win. Stock Battle wants its competitors to enjoy fantasy finance contests and win. That's why it created an academy where you can discover solid winning strategies. The academy contains detailed explanations on fantasy finance but also shares tips and insights. For example, you can learn how to read graphs or hunt for undervalued assets. Final thoughts: earn and learn by using Stock Battle. Fantasy trading competitions are there as an opportunity to generate profit. However, They have another important advantage. A fantasy finance platform can help a future trader learn everything about market mechanisms. Stock Battle will help you to understand charts and graphs. Discover currency fluctuations and differences between low and high volatility. Choose tactics to pick cryptocurrencies for short-term performance. Strengthen your confidence when trading and working with different crypto assets. If that sounds attractive, don't hesitate to join Stock Battle today. You can improve your knowledge and test yourself against hundreds of other traders. Continue reading on BTC peers. Shiba Inu Coin, SHIB, rose 13% in the past 24 hours following an uproar for Robinhood Markets Incorporated to add the token to its platform. The token has gained more than 40 million % in the past year, and a recent petition on Change.org asking Robinhood to list Shiba Inu has now garnered more than 326,000 signatures. SHIB, a Dogecoin-inspired meme cryptocurrency, is currently the 11th biggest crypto with a market value of nearly $24 billion. SHIB's all-time high following a price surge of more than 46% over the weekend has led to many believing that Robinhood should introduce the token in its platform. However, the crypto slumped earlier this week after Elon Musk tweeted that he didn't own the coin. Some speculations state that an increasing demand for Robinhood to list SHIB has led to a decline in its crypto trading. But according to the company's last filing, 64% of crypto revenue came from Dogecoin. Robinhood's crypto trading revenue has also been staggering. In a report, the company announced its crypto revenue totaled $233 million in the second quarter and $51 million in the third quarter, marking a 78% decrease compared to the previous quarter. Crypto has become more critical to Robinhood's growth, and the company is currently working on a wallet that could make it a one-stop shop for retail traders. The company believes that the so-called cryptocurrency wallet will allow customers to receive, trade, and spend digital currencies and move them in and out of the Robinhood app. The SHIB token was officially launched in August 2020, when the decentralized finance (DeFi) market was making huge strides and growing exponentially. While Robinhood, introduced in 2015, and it states that it is a commission-free investing platform for stocks, exchange-traded funds and cryptocurrencies. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.